have for you again today another project that I finished. This is a Christmas related one. I did a cozy Christmas collab with a bunch of people on Facebook group, and these are the items that I made in the group. So this is a double-sided tag with baby tags, many pockets, and decorated. One item, here's another pocket, a couple of tags in here. Another decorated tag, the pocket on the top that it goes into, double-sided. And then we have another tag, multi-layered with a little bulldog clip at the top and a button, antique button. And here's another multi-layered tag. And another multi-layered tag. This one, the little tags can swing. And we have this file folder pocket thingy. I don't know what else to call it. Decorated tags. Lots of layers. And there's a little reindeer, enamel reindeer charm. And it opens up. And there's more pockets. It's a multi-layered tag. And we have this multi-layered tag. And on this tab we have a candy cane charm. And then the back also has a double stacked pocket. And then we have this, made a policy envelope with a vintage button. And on the string are a snowflake and candy cane charms. Has a pocket on the front, a tag that's been tied together, little jingle bells. And inside the bag, I have not put anything in there. It's just we lined it with dark green paper to make it a little thicker. But that's what I have for my projects, the Christmas collaborations that I've been involved in. And this was with Line Dot Arrow, Sweet Pea Papers, Two Sisters Jam, Haystack Crafty Corner, and Junk Journals and more Facebook groups. Okay, thank you for watching.